the next comedian I'm going to bring on stage is also someone I met online. One day he sent me an inbox. Mangithi ngiyavula nami sengismayilile ngithi Shelley. Hayi kanti uthi nje we would love to have you come and perform Eswatini. Ngenhlanhla nami yazi I just followed up sakhuluma. He invited me for my first ever performance Eswatini.
And laughter gets even louder. Laugh out loud this Valentine's Day with the First Lady of Comedy, Thenjiwe with Mdura in Swaziland.
We have since performed many shows, not just Eswatini, but all over the world. And it is his first time performing in Durban. So, guys, I need you to give him a lot of love. I need you to show him ukuthi asithi abahambe bonke sithi akuhambe laba abahluphayo. Unayo ke yena ivisa bakithi. So guys, please give my friend who is taking us to Eswatini tomorrow to do a show there, another Thenjiwe Unplugged. Give him a lot of love and also show him support online, show him love. His name is Mdura, the king of Swati comedy.
Yeah. Angithatheke serious. Bonke bangena ngetingoma letidvodzile. Sekungena lo wekuhamba ke sebo work. Ngithi angichazele bomake Dlamini yonke comedy show ihlali nabo make Dlamini angichazele bomake fanele lisonto kude lisonto lelide make Dlamini wakhona. Every church has a make Dlamini, every labo make labakholwa kakhulu la sonveni, that out Christian all of us bathanze ama palms ne jean skirt bomake Dlamini jean skirt akuside denim skirt akufanani denim skirt iya scratcher iya jean skirt sisengilandzela nawugibela titepesi utigibela kanti denim skirt ingena nawe tinkinga niphume nawe uyabona chazele ke bomake Dlamini bakholwa kakhulu ngilabo make labafundisa Sunday school ne youth nabase stage batocala ingoma bomake Dlamini basina bacala lengoma bafuni kuphuma kule ngoma at the same time bafuna kudiscipline Sunday school bangaka ingoma bayicala ekucaleni bayicala lamkhathini ngoba sebadzala utawubona nje wona lamkhathini ukuthi ngiyiphi saphuma lapho kuthiwa akuphunya bane ma hips phunya namhla Nkosi siyamangala ndakushaya mfana uma sipe bakhohle sibasesonveni ndakushaya mfana fuseka susana wena kube wena bathi ngisathapha wena unge nathi ngabe bagcoka lamajazz labese sekaphelwa makinopho ngabe nabalifasa liya overlap uyabona lena ndleleni bomake Dlamini ngilabo make naba ngisho nasekhaya impilo yakhe nje uyayibona bomake Dlamini because there's a difference between being exhausted nekudonsa ingubo ngematinyo kunemehluko nawe uyatibona nje emsebenzini wakho ukuthi ungakuphi ukuthi une job noma une career because Maune career, you get exhausted. You know, you get, oh, I'm so pushed. Yeah, well, oh, I'm so exhausted. I think I'm just going to update my LinkedIn and just throw myself in bed. Throw yourself in bed because it's posturepedic. We are born. Ungati throw on a headboard. You have too many things protecting you. We are born. We are born. Kona lolo munye i-posturepedic uyayigibela na uyolala uyu lolo munye wasemandiyeni na uyolala you don't throw yourself, you approach Utakahle ubahambula uyatehlisa. Ulingisa umflo la lesponjini, nawu la lesponjini ngeke nje usuke uthi, "Hey, I'm so tired, I'm gonna throw." Uyasangana. Esponjini. Ngilele kakhulu esponjini, esponjini awuyi nje. Esponjini uhambule na uyakhona. Kunema steps la precise na uyolala esponjini. Sponge na ulalakisa uyathanza uthanzi noma ngabe ungumphathi emsebentini, but nangabe usene sponge before ulale esponjini you must humble yourself in front of sponge. Usanganele esponjini. Akulenza abasunganani ngemtimba ucala la esponjini. Ama steps akhona wasima ningayi4. Manje uya esponjini na ufika noma ngabe ubaphethe la khaya noma ngabe ungumfundisi ucala ngekuthandaza wena esponjini. Number 1. Number 2 uhlale ngasi ntektolila uthi esponjini ulabashatandla balala khona uthi esponjini. Mawuqetsa ulale ngathi ubuya operation usesponjini Naso uva ukuthi okay sebufikile ebuthongo besolala ngasibathobo kaSithumbu la usesponjini. Nekuvuka kwasesponjini awusangani nje uvuka ujaka uvuke uhongi Undertaker uvuke uyabona ungu-undertake uphindze futhi uthi stektolila solo uyavuka uyabona ubuye uthi ngigezendishini uyabo usesponjini usukuma ngisalukati esponjini kunema steps akhona awusangani nje ngisathi kakhulu sponge ngeke ungitshele ngaso ngiyasathi sponge kona mase sicala kusuka le screen protector wawasibona sale nalamanoni lapho isikahle kakhulu umchamo siyawumunya ke lapho ke siyawu absorba khanze sinekwele ngaphandle nase sikanjalo sponge sesiveta lokho umhloshana ngisho hamba kiso uyabona nase sesisha uyuva ugibela sponge usenge but nase sikanjalo so uyenqa nje ungasikude lokwendekile sesihumble naso sesibiyela khona timvu letikhumbulishako as a human being uyabona na ulale sponge ngeke nje uthi am exhausted ukuthi cha isihlobo sami hey namhla ingubo ngiyidvonsa ngematinyo uyabona ngeke nje uthi sponge am exhausted awuhloniphi isingisi exhausted sponge and sponge sine tendency silingisa lemibheze yamanje usinawungena nje uyabo posturepedic uthi na utakutolala khona you can feel after you take off your gown uyabona une gown na posturepedic iyahlonishwa posturepedic awungeni sinoma unema pijama hayi isikhindi semazulu unema pijama uyabona hayi isikhindi semazulu usuthi mabheshwa nkone uyolala unema pijama ayafanana ngetulu nangaphansi lama pijama ungene sowukahle sowulungisile skin sakho if you open the covers and then because you are exhausted you get in so that you can get a good shut eye yabo awubhutsi you dream uyabona wadula lombethe. When you sleep through the night. You wake up in the morning feeling well rested. When you wake up, it's now uhledi on your posturepedic bed. Your feet do not touch the ground just yet. Wasi usembhedzeni uyavuka tinyawo setiphansi sekonakele. Wasi nje uhlete embhedzeni wakho kaso lona ngivuka sikhulume lona akusi tatsinza phasi nje buyele embhedzeni wakho namhla tatsinza phasi tinyawo hamba uyolahla lo mbhedze loyo ngilo sina uvuka ekseni kiwo uvuka uthi yemzala awadi mani ngicela umane manje mzala angathi singidawuthi ngikuphi ungigungutse nje mzala niyawati lo mbhedze loyo banesponji benda kaso uthi nawulala kiwo labo good night rest hawu uyobagcina uvakashele masababsini bomhlanga lapha nawufika nje kulombhedze loyo nesponji uthi nawulala nje hawu 10 minutes in so ubona sithundi hawu sivame futhi for some reason ukhanza ukuthi uhlala ku single apartment siwabita ngaba one room sengiyahloniphisa nje ku one room yabona ku one room sithi masimile I don't know if you guys know this shade or it's called sleep paralysis. Sleep paralysis nasifika simela ngasemnyango la utawuphuma khona sime kanje yathi ulele but uyasibona kancane uyabona manje inkinga nawe ngalokuthi uya not exhausted uyidvonsa ngematinyo ube nokuthi ngeke nangabe vele uhlala ekasi ukhanza simeka so sithi fele simele wena sisonzela kancane kancane and sithatha about 30 minutes kusonzela and everything ngaleso sikhathi iba in slow motion lapho ulele ubheke etulo yathi na ulele ubheke etulo nje vulnerable nje uyathi nje vulnerable usibone sita and uzame lokukhuluma and sithi sidlala ngawe sisonzele siphinde sithi sitaka and lesithundi siba sithe sihambe sikwapele nalapha etulo akubi isilingi sleep paralysis asiyifuni isilingi sithanze emakapa sithe sisonzele kancane kancane uyasiva ngisho sesiqala ukubamba ubathi ufuna ukukhuluma ngekele ngaleso sikhathi vele lekuleli toho la usebenta khona cause akusicareer akuloywana so ubabita nangema nasithole ene ngaleso sikhathi in your mind uyamemeta but le live aliphuni mawune malwimi ke akukufuni amba ngicela ungiyekele sithole aliphumi le living ngaleso sikhathi ubathe uyabuka uyathi leni veke busy ngiphokucela ngoba uqala ucela ku sleep paralysis uqala ucele ngekele ngiyangikhathele ngiyangena nga5 nasithole ubona ukuthi leni veke phokuncenga ayisebenzi uyabona uthi yabona ke manje ngiyawuqiniqinisa le live because lokuncenga lemfo leli tangibulala lemfo leli cabanga ufe sekumele ukuchaze ukuthi ubulewe yini uthi ubulewe sithundi akuvakali sithole ubone sayakusebona fuseke uyabona ayine ukuthi ungumuntu lotfuka ko but so unalokuthi ngiyadathi ngingumuntu lomnyama futhi nje ngingumzulu inhlamba sihle sigadla ngayo uyabona ugcina uthi hayi man sengikuzamile naloko akungisebenze there's only one thing that works ngaleso sikhathi ngoba uthanza ungathanzi in your moments of turmoil and trouble I do not care ukuthi le trouble yini anginenzaba noma ngabe uyakula masondvo abo I just can't give up uyabona sekufika inkinga singisi siyaphela mase kufike inkinga kuyaphela nje ukuthi there will be mountains that I will have to climb kuyaphela konke kuchuna nje ingoma kuyaphela we love you Lord kuyaphela usuke sofuna ungathi info leqinile ke naso sitinkingeni ufuna info lengathi uyabona ingathi iqinile bo asule afune yodwa ela ufuna imvolo ngathi iqinile lapho sowukhumula bomasibuyele kuJehova lapho makedlamini hawu Nkosi ubhekisa iphepho namaza akubuswayo ilanga sowufuna imvolo ngathi iqinile lapho uyalalela umoya unetinkinga ke lapho ubathi uyakuzama lento ubathi uyakuzama lempo sifikile sleep paralysis ugcina ubona ustand by 7 ugcina usengagama likaJesu kukuthanza kabi na usesponjini leyanto hey kukuthanza kabi na usesponjini leyani bekukufakela ipressure ukuthi in this moment it doesn't matter noma ngabe bowuvungaza uthi wena uthi at that moment kukufakela ngiyayinyanya ipressure ngivile nje nakangi-introducer Thenji uyabona baku-introducer kuye kube ngazuthi it's exciting but uve ukuthi the more akhuluma the more bane-pressure yabona the more akhuluma naye she's funny so uva ngathi nawe sekumele ube funny uyabona angivani ne-pressure ngihlele ngifake lapho sisi bami bane kungifakela ipressure yokuthi I'm their big brother. Some of them are older than me. Angivani mina honest angivani ne-pressure and ngivele ngikutshele straight ngithi uyabona lokhu lo ngenta kona angisiko mina nje usuke ke kimi uthi I want a man utshele mina that is going to make me feel safe. Uyangibona nje nawe uyabona. My standards akho safety are so low. Bo security uyabeca bonke baphethe ama-pepper spray neticwayi utala kimi utshela in fact ulate sesivele sesiyajola 2 months in you know Mduduzi I just want you to make me feel safe ngithi awusizikhiyathi ivalo nangabe uva ngathi angifuni le pressure leyo I've never tried to act like I'm a tough guy or I get things done. Angiyithandi imvo leti angibangela pressure yabo ngiko ngiyi-comedian mani ngakahleki there's always another comedian yabona kude ethi ngili-paramedic siphutile kufika so ufile yabona because angivani ne-pressure angithandi imvo leti angifakela i-pressure ukhanze abantu sebaku-involve kuma-situations without your consent bosisi bami bathreatenishe ma-husbands abo ngeligama lami ngingekho mina nje usungithinze Utokunyisa Mduduzi ngeke mina ngiyakutshela Nyalo ngeke Nyalo don't use my name in vain don't use my name in vain without my informed consent where's lo sisi wami loyo at that time this is what sisters do which they're not supposed to in your relationship as a sibling as your big brother by default I am a stakeholder because at some point you will need to use me as a safety net or as security. So nakabuta usebenza ligama lami to threaten your husband. Phela nawe. Jola nemuntu lo wathi kahle ethi ngingamshaya, uyabona? Babeke lambi kwami ngidakutshela ngithi Thando ngeke ngikhanze ngamadubane. Uyabo ufune info lengathi naso usuke kasisi wami my oldest sister washada nelisotsha so every time I'm threatenisha ngingekho ngibe nginako ukuthi sisi wami utongibulalisa lelinye langa uyabona angivani nako it happened once one of my big sisters the second born yena ke washada na driver we taxi nearby so at that time they live in a single unit which is a one-room house there's one door in one door out, right? So now we are corner, funa ube sure ukuthi uyowendani, right? So one day my brother-in-law he drinks himself to a pulp. He comes back, bacala baba ne altercation. We are born. I remember 19 September 2019, 8:45 p.m. I will never forget, I get a call from my sister. Hysterical njani ugela. Ngithuthembe mina vele kusinyalo so ushayela lo ngci. Kanti akakabude langeni uyabona lelo langa belisibekele lilanga lingekho so akabutanga. Ngishayele sisi wami hysterical. Mduduzi ngicela uTonglanza lana. Simalo wakho lana ubhizi uyangiphusha. Ufuna kungishaya ngiyamtshela mina ngithi mina wena ngeke uvume wena. Ngeke wena umiyekile kuthi angishaye ngithi mina ukusholani lokho wena ngeke uvume Mduduzi mana sowume ngiconglanze shem ukuphi wena ngilandlini ula ngaphandle noma ngekhathi ngilanga ekhathi manje Mduduzi ngiconglanze uphi yena nangilambi kwami ngithi mina manje sisiwami uthi wena kufanele kwenteke njani unjani nje nyalo wena utsakiwe Mduduzi uyamata ngatsako bese ufuna kulwa ngithi manje nangafuna Mduduzi ngiyekele manje lo Mduduzi angishayela lo mfulu wena 4 webantu bebareni wabashaya ngithi mani ke sisi ulwe nabo ngesikhathi sinye noma bekashaya munye amyekele after 1 hour shayela omunye amyekele after 1 hour shayela Mduduzi awume mani kungidalisa ubashaye ngesikhathi sinye ngiqongilanze mani Mduduzi lo Mduduzi angilima ngithi ngibuka lelicingo ngikhanze libhalwe sibali uyabona ngithi wo ngiva la ngemovie yakhuluma mjelede uyabona ngibona lokuthi lendvo itoba ingoti lendvo uyabona because nangitomshaya mina esibali uyabona Tase seyakhulunywa emndenini ngithi mina akwacala ngani washayela babe because nguye inhloko yelekhaya Mduduzi nguwe lotvutane mani ngiqongilanze angicheka licingo libhalwe sibali mina ngi-overthinker and nginema ulcers wa-overthinker nanyalo nje nginema omeprazole bengisinani ngahleki ngiyawathatha fast so ngithi nangabe libhalwe sibali my overthinking mind ithi shorts this conversation went something like this nginomtshela mina Mduduzi nginomtshela ngeke avuma ungende kanjena akhona okay mshayele phela okay ngiyamshayela tu you have no minutes ithatha nalami mshayele ngalo umtshela ukuthi etokulanza thank you so much my name is Mdura you guys have been an awesome audience